Good evening, everyone.
Good
Good
evening,
evening, ma'am.
ma'am.
Come on.
Evening, ma'am.
I want to see you all so that I'll be able to recognize you when I see you there. I should be like, who are you? Let me guess, and I should be able to guess. And that can happen only if you open your cameras, right?
You
Yes,
So,
don't
ma'am.
need to, you don't need to put efforts for me, Madhura ma'am.
ma'am, you are the host.
Same here, ma'am.
You are the host. Come on. You are a team host. Yeah. All right. So nice to see each one of you. So first of all, I want to ask you, how many of you have booked your tickets?
Yes,
Yes,
already
yes.
done.
Lovely. And how many of you have already booked your rooms?
Same hotel, ma'am.
Lovely,
I am
lovely.
in Bangalore. I am in Bangalore, but still I booked my room in the same hotel. I
Yes,
want to stay
yeah,
over
ma'am.
Oh,
same
that's
hotel.
fun, ma'am. Sneh will be
Yeah.
together. Great.
Yes.
That's that's nice. Wonderful. So basically today's session was arranged because I was getting lots of messages on doubts. Ma'am, ye kya hai, wo kya hai. So I said, let me come live. Let's clear all the doubts and make it clear for everybody. So I'll quickly give you a little insight on what is there on day one, what is there on day two. Although I'm not going to reveal everything, I'll keep some surprises. Yeah, how many of you like surprises?
Yes.
Yes, I love.
Yes. And so nice
Love.
to see Darshana
Yeah.
ma'am planning her award for the first time in life on the stage. Is it Darshana ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, please call me Darshana.
Yes. Yes. So
Yes.
Darshana, you're taking the
For
award for the first
something
time in life.
first time in life. Matlab, school mein, of course, I used to be a ranker, but that was not, I mean, I don't know. This
Okay.
is something different only. And something like Reiki, कभी सोचा ही नहीं था life में कि ऐसा कुछ होगा. I mean,
Lovely.
when I started my journey, I never realized that, yes. Thank you for providing this platform, ma'am. Thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely. I want to make a lot of noise for healers. Absolutely. After this event, there should be no one who says healing kya hai, what is a healer. So I don't want to get that question. I want the moment that someone says, you're into healing. Wow.
Wow.
That should be
Yes.
the expression that someone has when they figure out that we are healers. Nice. So to begin with, we are going to start the registration between 9:30 and 10. You should be there at the hall before 9:30. Yeah. How many of you are coming one day before? That's on 28th.
I am
Ma'am, me.
already
I'm coming on 28th.
Who?
I am already there.
You're
I'm
already
also already there.
Already there.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm
Lovely.
coming on
From
27th.
Pune.
Yes.
27th, I'm coming. Yeah.
27th. Oh, so
Yeah,
28th
ma'am.
you are
Vidulika
coming.
and Artha from Pune.
And how many of you are reaching on the same day? Okay,
I'm
One day
reaching
before.
on 29th, ma'am, morning 6 o'clock.
yes, if you're coming morning, try and reach as early as possible. And like I keep saying that, cleansing is very important, energy cleaning is very important. So we have 5 volunteers on day one and 5 volunteers on day two who are going to take us through the 5-step cleansing process. So every person who steps into the hall is going to be 100% cleansed, going
Wow.
through that 5 layer of cleansing. So I
Wow.
want everyone to experience that and understand how it feels like to be cleansed. So on both the days, we have different volunteers who will be cleansing each one of us and taking us inside. After the registration, obviously, I'm having 4 talks for everybody. One before lunch, one after lunch. Day two, again, one before lunch and one after lunch. And one special talk I'm having for the gold members, a special dinner for them together. So that will be on day one, the dinner. And we have 7 speakers. I never imagined there will be 7 speakers at the first event. I want to tell you, each one of you, I'm sure most of you are excited. I am the maximum excited. This has been a dream for me from a really long time to have an event. Kirti knows very well. I've attended a lot of events where she was, one of the main team. So, it's a dream for anybody, as each one of you also. You're today coming as a guest or you're coming as a mentee. Each one of you, definitely you will be thinking, आज मैं यहाँ से जा रही हूँ. Next, I want to be on that side where, I am either a receiver. Now I want to soon be a giver. So this is stage one, I would say, that where you are going to receive an award, receive a certificate, get some recognition, collaborate with people. This is an amazing feeling. And I feel that my journey accelerated a lot because of the physical events. No
Okay.
matter how many online sessions you attend, no matter how many courses you do, but the kind of energy that you get when you attend a physical event is amazing. At one time, you meet everyone. Oh, what are you doing? Where are you from? How many courses you have done? How much you have, evolved. what is your connection, my connection, can we exchange numbers? And it just grows, boom, boom, boom. A lot of my people who help me in marketing, a lot of them are from those networking that I had, and they help me in multiple ways, and so is for each one of you. So on day one, we have the first speaker, Tara. Tara is one of my very old student, and she's one of those students who said, okay, ma'am, any course that you launch, count me in, whichever it is, small, big, medium, large, anything, you count me in. I'm the first one who will buy any of your course. And she kept by her words. Whatever 40 courses I have, she's taken. Healers and coaches I have, she has taken. Super healer she has taken. When I booked my event and I said that how many of you are coming, she was the first one, among the first ones to buy the ticket. So she's been one of those students who said, like, with blind trust, anything you launch, I'll be the first one. So she's special. She's one of them who's talking on the day one. And on day one, we have a couple of speakers. Let me introduce you all to Kirti, who's been a really long friend. She's Kirti. She's a mandala artist. She's a mindset coach, a life coach, and many more things. So she's giving us some insights into how we can also manage our own stress, and some stress busting techniques that she's going to involve us in. So she's going to get us through an activity. Then after lunch, it's awards. So for awards, you don't have, for the entire day one, you don't have any dress code. You can wear whatever you feel you like. So those of you who are messaging me, what should I wear whatever you like, whichever you feel comfortable in, whichever you feel that I would love to wear this and pick up my award on the stage. So day one is the awards. How many of you are picking up awards here? Those of you who have healed enough number of clients, those of you who have earned enough.
I don't know.
You
I
don't
have
know.
told Charan they have healed. Let me see
So
my
I will
award.
just say this, keep your fingers crossed.
मैम ये भी सरप्राइज ही होगा ना
Surprise. It's a surprise.
ये भी
Yes,
सरप्राइज होगा
yes, absolutely. So definitely come and pick your awards, and let us know how you feel on the day when you're picking up your award as a successful healer, have healed certain number of clients, have earned some money, have made some name, have made some connections. That feeling is amazing. After that, we have Deepti. Is Deepti here? Tara is not here, but is Deepti here? Yeah, Deepti is here. Deepti, you are not on camera. Where is Deepti? So she is someone, I don't know if it's this Deepti. We have two Deeptis. Yeah, Deepti Sood is here. Where are you? Yes. She's someone who is going to let us know her journey, which is a beautiful story. She's giving us a beautiful insight of her story of from where she started and wherever she is now. And I'm very inspired from her story. So she's our second talk. She's giving her talk on this day. And then we have again a few talks, and I'm honoring my gurus, my Reiki gurus, my angel healing gurus, my Zebu symbol gurus, my card reading gurus. So I feel that this is a time where I need to acknowledge that these are the people who taught me in the beginning. So I really want to remember and honor them. So I'm inviting them for the honor. And we're going to have some activities, a lot of power-packed activities, everything that we have learned, like angel healing, Ho'oponopono, Reiki. So we're going to have those activities. And the gold ticket gets the talk of especially related to the growth, that how can anyone grow accelerated and amplified way. So that is on day one. Day two, we have two newbie super healers. They are Rachana and Amrita. Both of them, they learned like this, they implement like this, and they started seeing the results like this. They were super fast, very, very fast. So they were people who took no time to decide things. The moment they heard about it, they took decisions, they implemented every week, whatever was told, they started earning. And before the 12 weeks of Super Healer was done, they have earned their 1 lakh plus. So I felt this was an amazing journey. I want them to tell everybody else on the stage that how did they make it possible, so that everyone can learn. Whoever down things, how is it possible? And is it very difficult? I want to make you all feel that it is easy. It's just that you need to just do what they did. So I want them to talk, and they're giving their stories of how they have been successful. And then, of course, I'm giving various talks on healing, on amplified healing, my combination healing modalities, and varieties of that. And then we have honor of the second guru on the day two. And we have after lunch certifications. So everybody who has learned more than 5+ courses get their certificate, get recognized as a healer. So that's certification after lunch. And then I have a beautiful young editor of mine. When I met him for the first time, he was just 18 years old, and he said that, see my work, and if you like me, then you can definitely get connected. And he edited something for me, and I loved it. I didn't like it, I loved it. And since then, we're connected. And I really like these young people who are like 18, 19, 20, have the guts to say that, I'm willing to do something. And you just see, because at 18, I remember myself, except studying, I did nothing, except studying, nothing at all. I didn't do anything except studying. So I'm very inspired by people who at a very young age say, that I can do something for you. That confidence is amazing. So I want him to teach each one of you video editing, which is very essential for your journey, as today I feel social media is a very powerful tool. I feel that if you are good on social media, that's enough for you to make money. You don't need much. So I want each one of you to learn a lot of stuff. So I want him to give all his tricks. I have told him, kuch bhi mat secret mein rakho. You have to let everyone know your secrets. Give us all your softwares, give us all your names, everything that you're doing, you should let us know. So Darsh, where are you? Yes, that's Darsh. And he's on day 2 teaching us how to edit videos. He's just 18 years old. His name is Dwarkadhish. So I fell in love with the name also.
First of all, thank you, madam, for inviting me as a guest.
Beautiful name.
Yes.
की आवाज
So
आ रही है सही?
थोड़ा सा इको आ रहा है.
नहीं, एक्चुअली इको तो नहीं आना चाहिए.
अच्छा,
अभी आ रहा है, सही आवाज आ रही है.
कोई बात नहीं, बोलो.
एक्चुअली अभी 2-3 दिन से कुछ ऐसा ही काम चल रहा था, तो अभी मैं सोया नहीं था, तो मैंने
अच्छा.
आज मैं काम को छोड़ के सो लेता हूँ. अभी फिर उनका कॉल आया, लाइक क्या नाम उनका, चंद भाई था, तो बोले इधर से आज हमारा वो है, तो आप एक बार पास से कनेक्ट कर लेना.
करेक्ट.
ऐसा ही मैं अभी आया, फिर मुंह को धोया, सीधा अभी आ रहा है.
कोई बात नहीं, सबको सब कुछ सिखा देना, कोई भी चीज छुपा के मत रखना.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. बस
हाँ?
यही है. आप सबको देखकर एकदम खुशी हुई. इसमें कई लोग तो ऐसे हैं जिनको मैं जानता हूँ, जैसे
हाँ.
कि ये है तस्वीर को, और इनकी मैंने लाइक नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग वीडियो एडिट की है. और
Wow.
भी कई लोग हैं, इनको प्रीति भाई के, इनको मैं देखते रहता हूँ
He
इंस्टाग्राम
has
पर.
edited your videos, so he knows you people.
क्योंकि मैंने
Yes,
इनकी नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग वीडियो
Thanks.
एडिट की है, तो ऐसे करके.
wonderful, wonderful. Yes. So Darsh will be there, who will edit videos, reels, thumbnails, and he will reveal all the secrets on all his softwares and whatever he uses, apps that he uses. And I've told him, try and focus only on the free apps so that it's accessible for everybody. Do not talk about the paid apps, so it's going to be easier. Maybe he might talk about a couple of apps which he has purchased, but Darsh, ज्यादातर फ्री एप्स और फ्री सॉफ्टवेयर से कैसे हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, गिव अस गाइडेंस, बिकॉज आई फील दैट दिस इज समथिंग वेरी यूजफुल फॉर अस. We need to learn this portion. And then after that, we have Sapna. Sapna has helped me a lot on Instagram. She's someone who creates content like this. She's someone who makes a lot of, captions just like that. How many of you are following my stories every single day? You see that? Day 5, day 4, day 3, then beautiful angel music and this and that.
Yes.
Sapna, who is helping me with all of that, and she does that very, very easily. So I want Sapna to teach everybody how they can go viral, how they can handle their Instagram professionally, how they can make stories, how they can add content, and maybe how we can use AI. So that's Sapna who's going to help us with that. And I think this is something very powerful that she's going to guide us with. And this is something I feel that all of us should learn. All of us 100% should learn and 100% should implement. And after that, again, we have another talk and a lot of activities mixed. On day 2, those of you who are in the gold ticket need to wear the beautiful t-shirt, the Super Healer t-shirt, the Heal and Grow t-shirt. So come with your jeans on the first half. If you wish to wear something else after that, you can change. But the first half, wear jeans so that you can just wear your t-shirts. I think we have taken your sizes, so we will provide you the sizes that you have. Apart from this, a lot of other things are there, which maybe I would not be articulating in words. I want to show you, I want you to experience it and enjoy them. For now, if you have any kind of doubts, you can feel free to ask so that you're absolutely clear. We will have a couple of volunteers who will help you in Bangalore. All of you who are coming to Bangalore for the first time, I want to tell you, it's an amazing place. Everyone speaks English, everyone speaks Hindi. So you have Ola, Uber, you have every facility that's possible. So you don't have to worry about the language. Those of you who don't know Kannada need not know it. You can speak Hindi and English, and everyone in Bangalore speaks the same. What's your take, Sneha ma'am? In Bangalore, everyone manages?
Yeah, everybody manages, but in case if somebody really needs some help or something, I can definitely share my number and
Yeah.
I'll definitely be there for everybody.
So kind of a
They can call me anytime for any sort of guidance or help or anything. I'll
absolutely.
definitely be there. Yes.
Absolutely. So those of you who reach Bangalore and you have any kind of help you want, you can get in touch with either Sneha ma'am or we have Charan. Charan, can you leave your number down? Everyone who wants to reach Bangalore and understand, please leave your number down and you can take his number. He will be there, accessible. I'm going to leave you my husband's number also. I've told him to take leave and help all of us throughout. Yes, that's Girish. That's my husband's number who can help you with any stuff that you want. Charan, you can leave your number down and
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing that.
yes. So,
My number can also be shared, Madhura ma'am.
so please, ma'am, can you type your number in the chat?
Yes, I'll do that. And
Yeah.
we have, since 20 years, we are using one taxi service. He is very nice person. And in case
Ma'am,
if somebody
since there's Ola Uber, I feel that it's easier that way. Wherever they are, just book an Ola and they will be able to find it.
in case if any problem, we are there.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, so Bangalore people are very friendly and nice, so you don't have to worry about it. And the location is very much comfortable. It's not like outskirts or anything. So you guys can be very comfortable. It's quite safe. So you don't have to worry about that also. Those of you who are leaving your house and coming, tell your people we're going to enjoy. Those of you who want to shop, Bangalore is an amazing place for shopping. So we have both kind of shopping. We have malls also, the most amazing malls, and we have the most amazing commercial street kind of stuff where you can find stuff, the street shopping. It's amazing for eating also. So if you want to have days extra, you can come. And those of you who are managing sacred spaces, 7 chakra sacred spaces, angel spaces, pendulum dowsing, and scent expedite, all of those, we will assign you chota areas, and you just have to decorate that place. So you don't have to think that, am I missing on something from the event? No, you just decorate that. As soon as you come in the morning, come prepared on day one with all your things and decorate that. That's going to be there. And maybe sometime in the evening, I will ask the photographer and videographer to capture that beautifully. That time we will light candles and activate that space. And we will do all of that. Tasveer, you were the first one I asked for the talk, but then she's flying to UK. So then she was not sure about the dates. Otherwise, she would be on the stage. I thought
missed
you
it.
were the first one, but you are the last one to book the tickets. Yes. Any more doubts that you have? Feel free. Is there valet parking? Yes, it is there. It is there.
Okay.
Anything that you want to ask? How many of you?
I'm reaching by 7:30 and I'll go directly to the hotel. So it's, I think, from the Zion Hotel, it's just 1 kilometer.
Okay.
So I think I'll reach by 9:15. It's
Where are
okay.
you coming from, ma'am?
Mumbai.
From Mumbai. So what you can do is just get in touch with, you can put a message in the group, and someone who is staying in Zion, if they are accommodating you, then I think everyone is very friendly. You can just go fresh up there.
Okay,
There's
fine.
quite a lot of people who are staying in Zion. So you can quickly go fresh up, put some makeup and be ready.
No, we were thinking of going to our hotel, put the luggage and get fresh and come.
Oh, okay. Then no problem.
Yeah.
I don't know
Yeah.
you're going there. Okay, if you're going there, no problem.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Any more doubts anybody has? Anything?
Evening till what time does the program go on?
7 o'clock for silver. After 7 o'clock, we'll take a break. And then we have a session and dinner for gold. Gold can go up to whatever time.
Okay.
They can ask any other questions after that, whatever they want to, clear. And of course, silver also are very special. You want to ask doubts, you want to ask anything, feel free. Come with all your doubts, all that you put on the message, this, come and ask there. Right?
Hello,
मैम
ma'am.
क्वेश्चन
Yes, Amrita?
मैम एक क्वेश्चन ये है कि मेरे 2 सिल्वर टिकट्स बुक हुए थे, एक हुआ था गोल्ड टिकट, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो सिल्वर टिकट 2 बुक हुआ था वो एक ही जन आ रहे हैं। अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो एक ही जन आ रहे हैं 2 सिल्वर टिकट पर, तो क्या उसको गोल्ड पे ट्रांसफर हो सकता है?
हाँ, हो सकता है,
हो सकता है।
हो सकता है। आप
ओके
चरण
मैम,
से
तो
बात
फिर
कर
वो
लीजिए,
वहीं
वो कर
पे
देगा।
चरण सर से बात करने से हो जाएगा या पहले ही मैसेज ड्रॉप करना पड़ेगा आपको?
नहीं नहीं, चरण से बात करो, क्योंकि बहुत सारा अरेंजमेंट होता है जो अकॉर्डिंग टू टिकट्स करना पड़ता है कि गोल्ड के अलग है, सिल्वर के अलग है। तो इफ यू टेल, वी नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड। तो चरण से आप बात कर लीजिए, ही विल डू द नीडफुल।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
Any more doubts, anybody? All I would say, come and have fun. Yes, Jessie ma'am, please ask your doubt.
Ma'am, for this chakra thing, you are going to provide a table or something
Yes,
like
a table, a table.
okay. So we can keep whatever is belonging to that.
Chakra color.
Okay.
Yes.
Then 30th, ma'am, when we close, when are we the function?
7:30.
Okay.
Yeah. Expected is 7:30, but I don't know if it's going to go longer.
Not beyond 9:30, no?
No.
We have booked our tickets.
Yeah, you can leave at that time. Absolutely, you can leave. Yes. Yes. Vidulika ma'am, unmute yourself, please.
हेलो मैम.
Yes.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. मैम 2 ही क्वेश्चन थे. पहला मैं पूछ लेती हूँ. पहला वाला ये था कि लाइक जैसे मुझे रेकी बॉक्स लेना था आपसे, तो ऐसा कुछ भी आपकी तरफ से होगा कि इफ यू वांट टू परचेज समथिंग?
Yes, yes. I have a lot of crystals over there. You can pick them up.
ओके.
Reiki
ओके,
box.
है ना.
है.
सेकंड मुझे ये पूछना था आपसे कि जैसे आपने बोला कि मॉर्निंग में जो पहन के आना है आप पहन के आ सकते हो, देन आफ्टर लंच अवार्ड वगैरह है, बट ऑब्वियसली उसके लिए अलग से लोगों ने ड्रेस लिया होगा, है ना. सो क्या हमें इसके बीच में टाइम मिलने वाला है या फटाफट लंच फिनिश करके वी हैव टू रश टू रूम एंड वी हैव टू डू द चेंजेस एंड ऑल, या फिर हम सुबह से वही पहन के आ जाए? मैम क्लियर बता दीजिए, प्लीज 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 क्लियर बता दीजिए.
विदुलिका मैम,
नहीं
आप
मिल रहा है
वही
कि
में
नहीं
है ना?
वो हम मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि हाँ हमें मिल रहा है, मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं, बट
देखो
क्या टाइम है चेंज करने का बीच में?
विदुलिका मैम, ये डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितना टाइम लेते हो चेंज करके रेडी होने में।
नहीं मुझे तो ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा.
हाँ
मतलब वही कि जल्दी से अपना लंच फिनिश करो एंड
हाँ,
इफ यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग टू गो टू रूम चेंज एंड कम बैक, ऐसा ही है.
एब्सोल्युटली.
एंड फिर रात तक उसी में रहना है, क्योंकि आपके साथ भी तो सुंदर सुंदर, मैन वो अवार्ड मिल रहा नहीं मिल रहा अलग बात है, आपके साथ भी तो सुंदर सुंदर फोटो खिंचवानी है ना.
यस, एब्सोल्युटली.
है ना.
Yes.
ओके मैम. एंड सेकंड डे मॉर्निंग से जीन्स पहनना है ना.
डे
ओके.
2 पे. डे 2 पे.
डे टू में है ना. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.
ठीक है. Yes, Yog Swami. I think this is
Mayuri.
Mayuri. Yes, yes, Mayuri.
Yeah, hi ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I just wanted to ask about the chakras because I took the solar plexus. So we need to bring the things or objects only, or other things also, because Charan told me to it means you are providing the candles and all, but apart from that, anything we need to carry?
Crystals. I want you to keep some crystals associated, so it's nice. Always secret spaces should have the relevant crystals because that is very good. And candle, if you have the relevant candle, you can bring of the color. Only if you find it difficult to bring, then I can arrange for you.
Yeah, can I bring this? This is citrine.
Yeah, please bring. Yes,
Okay.
yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Green is the color of solar plexus.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, but I don't have a crystal related to sacral chakra. Any orange?
You don't
I
have?
don't have. No, ma'am.
Okay. So if we have there, we will provide you and you can keep it there.
Okay.
Yes.
मैम सेकेंड डे का जो आप बोल रहे थे एक बार प्लीज रिपीट करेंगे? हमें पूरे टाइम जींस में ही रहना है या
फर्स्ट
कर
हाफ
सकते
में
हैं?
तो 100% रहना है और सर्टिफिकेट्स के लिए आपकी मर्जी. फर्स्ट हाफ में हम लोग नहीं तो सेकेंड हाफ में भी आप पहन सकते हो क्योंकि तभी सर्टिफिकेट्स लेना है. इट विल बी नाइस टू वेयर इट विद द सुपर हीलर टी शर्ट.
ओके.
ठीक है, और आपका
ओके
जो
तो
शौक
फिर
है
मैम
आपको कुछ और करना है
मैंने
तो आप पहन
सोचा
लीजिए।
था नहीं, जैसे मैम फिर मेरा जो आपने बोला है स्टेज पे स्पीच है, तो
हाँ,
फिर उसका कैसे अरेंज करेंगे?
उसको आप अपना जो भी ड्रेस पहनना है पहन सकते हैं, लंच के बाद आप चेंज कर लीजिए।
हाँ ठीक है,
Okay.
थैंक यू मैम।
So a little changes. We will wear the t-shirts and the jeans in the second half, not in the first half. Okay,
Okay.
those of you who want to stay in the same dress, you will be provided t-shirts on the previous day. But if you want to change, that's up to you. All right. And Amrita, आपका morning में है top.
मेरे को आफ्टरनून का बोला हुआ था, सर ने बोला है आफ्टर लंच।
आफ्टर लंच ये है सपना और दर्श का। आपका और रचना का मॉर्निंग में है आफ्टर टी ब्रेक आपका।
अच्छा, मॉर्निंग यानी 11, अराउंड 11 राइट?
हाँ, 11:30 के बाद डे 2 पे।
ओके ठीक है,
ठीक है,
देन मैं वैसे मैनेज कर लूंगी।
डन।
सेकेंड हाफ में आपका जीन्स है ना?
सेकेंड हाफ में
जीन्स है ना आपका? जीन्स एंड
यस
टी
यस
शर्ट?
यस यस यस।
हाँ ठीक है मैम, ठीक है, थैंक यू मैम।
Yes. Any more questions? Jessie ma'am, you have another question? Yes, please.
Ma'am, for root chakra, the crystal will you provide? Because I just have a coral mala. That's all.
That's enough.
Enough?
Yes, absolutely enough. Apart from that, some other things you're bringing, no?
Crystal I don't have.
No, that's okay.
Bring something like water bottle, things like that.
Yeah,
I may a red color dress.
Don't bring too much, just about 10 things because a small area will be there. That's enough.
And then you have to display what it is, like root chakra.
Yes. Yes.
So,
See, Jessie ma'am, you can make it as creative as possible. You know, when you're creative, you activate your Swadhisthana chakra, get into your creative zone, put your Bij mantra there. You know, just write your Bij mantra there. You can write some affirmation associated to that apart from the things.
size,
Huh? Small,
Size.
small. Small.
A3.
Sorry? Yeah, A3 should be good. Yes. Lipakshi, you have something to ask?
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Very good evening.
Ma'am, about the
We
thing,
will
ma'am, time
Which one?
for the session,
Which
for the
session?
1 hour session, the healing session.
Evening 7 o'clock. The next 2-3 days, we will have one session for a group healing. So I will definitely announce evening 7.
Okay, ma'am. The date you let me know, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. And what about the Sunday? At what time it gets over?
I'm assuming it should be 7:30, but may get a little longer. But if there's anybody who wants to leave, can leave. Who has
Okay.
bus, train, flight, obviously.
Okay, ma'am. And I'm also open for volunteering, so you can just put
Yes,
me
yes. I
anywhere
told
that's
Karan. Karan
required.
will definitely get in touch with you after the session.
All right, ma'am.
Yes.
So eager to meet you.
Absolutely.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Madhvi ma'am.
Hello.
Namaskar, ma'am. Madhvi ma'am, where are you? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Tell me, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am? How are you?
Fantastic.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, jeans pant is compulsory, yeah? Because I don't wear jeans.
Okay, no problem.
See, usually I wear only sarees.
Yeah.
So on that day, I can't wear the t-shirt, no, ma'am.
No
So
problem.
how it?
We'll find some way out.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
that's it.
I think
Thank
there
you.
were a
Thank you.
couple of more messages who told me that they don't wear. So it's okay. It's not
Okay.
compulsory. It's nice if we can wear. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
And one more thing, I need 2 more tickets, ma'am. That silver tickets. Can I purchase now?
Yes, yes. Charan will help you for the same.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
He's there.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
So nice to see you.
Who's this?
Me, ma'am. Me, Madhavi. So
Madhvi.
nice to see you.
Yes, ma'am. Same here. I'm
Yeah.
excited. You too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Let us meet there, Bangalore.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Any more doubts?
Okay.
Are all clear?
I'm having one doubt.
Who's this?
Mayuri ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Jyoti here.
Okay.
Yes, Jyoti.
Hello.
Yes, Jyoti. Tell me.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Jyoti, you're audible. I can hear you. Jyoti, are you there? Oh,
Oh,
muted.
yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Yes. Tell me, Jyoti.
Sorry, I joined to raise the hands or something because of the network issue.
No problem.
I just wanted to know if there is options to buy the crystals there.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Jyoti. We have a lot of crystals. Lot of bracelets, lot of 7 chakra sets, lot of Reiki boxes. I want everyone to know the varieties also.
Hello.
Yes, Jyoti. We
Sorry, Madam. Hello.
Yes. Let me just put it in the chat. Yes, we do have.
Acha, okay. Fine, ma'am. I just wanted to know that.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. And Arunima ma'am, yes, unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
Ma'am, am I there on day 1 for cleansing or day 2?
Charan knows about it. He's the one who's handling it.
And ma'am, do we need to get something for cleansing?
No, I'm arranging the things. 1%
Oh.
sage, 1% Palo Santo, 1% selenite with the cutting, 1% we have for our aura cleansing, there are feathers, and 1% the aura spray. Okay. So
right.
generally the sage and Palo Santo, it can help once you light it, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 clients. So maybe we need the person to help them to keep circulating. I'll give everything. You don't need to bring anything. Okay. You need to just be fit to be able to cleanse everybody like this. Yeah.
Okay. Done, ma'am.
All right. So remember, we
All
have
right.
discussed
Thank you.
this 100 times. You have to do this. So if there's anybody who wants to share and volunteer for cleansing, you could do that if you feel. Yeah.
हम
So
सब पतले हो जाएंगे उस दिन.
पतले हो जाएंगे. Yes. Vidulika ma'am, any question or that's an old hand?
नहीं मैम एक्चुअली जो पेंडुलम डाउजिंग का था ना तो आई एम ब्रिंगिंग माय कार्ड्स बट यू टोल्ड मी ऑन दैट डे कि यू विल गोइंग टू गिव मी दैट बोर्ड.
Yes.
तो बस वो एक बताना था कि
हाँ,
आपको
बोर्ड
है ना
बोर्ड है
द पेंडुलम आई एम ब्रिंगिंग.
हाँ, कार्ड
बट
भी
मैम एक चीज है. सॉरी.
कार्ड भी आप लाइए.
हाँ कार्ड में ला रही हूँ बट एक चीज है मैम मैंने है ना वहां के लिए कैंडल्स वो वाले लिए थे सेल वाले एंड आई एम नॉट श्योर कि वो मुझे फ्लाइट में ले जाने देंगे कि नहीं. वो एक थोड़ी सी टेंशन हो रही है मुझे. तो फिर मेरे पास वहाँ कैंडल्स नहीं होंगे एंजल्स के बाद अगर उन्होंने मना कर दिया तो
we'll
वो सेल वाले होंगे.
we'll have some.
थैंक यू सो मच. नहीं तो मैंने बहुत अच्छे डेकोरेटिव वाले मंगा तो लिए हैं बट एक चीज का डाउट आया कि सेल वाले हैं पता नहीं वो ले जाने देंगे कि नहीं. है ना. थैंक यू सो मच.
आप कैंडल्स चेक इन कर सकते हैं. सेल आप अपने बैग में रख सकते हैं.
ओके थैंक यू. मैंने भी वो सोचा था एक एक पेपर में ऐसे रैप करके छोटे छोटे से बटन सेल है ना तो छोटे छोटे से रैप करके और उसको रख लूंगी साथ में ऐसा. एंजल्स को मंजूर होगा. एंजल्स को मंजूर होगा तो पहुंच जाएंगे.
नहीं आप कैबिन बैगेज में पक्का ला सकते हैं. चेक इन नहीं कर सकते.
थैंक यू.
Yes, Sonia ma'am, unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am. I'm
Where are
bringing
you
one
coming from?
candle from Delhi. Yeah, candle, the picture of Saint Expedite, and those are the things we can offer water that I can get there only.
Yes.
Other than that, anything else?
Maybe you can give a sample of one of the rituals you write there and give the spells. You know, we
Yeah,
have
sure.
spells for that. So one of the
Yeah.
spells for something you can write and you can write that this is a ritual for this particular thing.
So if I have a photo of the prayer or something, that also I can bring.
Yes, that's enough.
And this will be for 2 days. I have to put up, right?
Yes.
For
In the
both
morning
the
when you
days.
come on day 1, you just set it and it's going to be there for
It's going to be there.
Yeah, while you're going
Okay.
back, you can just pick it up and go back.
Okay. Thank you.
What about Lakshmi Yantra, ma'am? I think we spoke and you said we can bring Lakshmi Yantra, what you taught us.
Please bring it and you can display your Lakshmi Yantra.
Yeah, I'll bring mine.
Yes, absolutely. Any more doubts, anybody? Yeah? Come and have
All
fun.
clear. Yes, all clear.
Yes. All right. So all excited to see you, meet you, and whatever doubts you have, please contact Charan. He'll help you out. He's the one who's coordinating. So he knows almost everything and he'll be there on that day also. So you can count on him. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye.
See you, everybody.
Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
ma'am.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
Bye,
All the best
ma'am.
for
Thank you so
everyone.
much. See you.
Tara joined in
Waiting to
now.
meet
Tara,
you.
you have your talk on day 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Day 1, you're the first speaker.
Yes, ma'am.
And I spoke very nice things about you, which you missed.
I know, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
No problem. Chalo.
Only a mother will always speak good about her children, all her children. Only mother can do that.
I'll share the recording so you can listen to that.
Yes,
We'll
ma'am.
tell her when she comes. We'll
Yes.
tell her what Mother of Men's.
Yes. Tara, you're the first one, so you have to come early and be prepared.
Ma'am, I have already booked a room there. I'll be there early.
So Tara is speaker 1, Deepti is speaker 2, and the next day we have Amrita and Rachana, and in the second half we have Sapna, and in the day 1 we have Kirti, and day 2 we have Sapna, Darsh, Rachana, and Amrita. Right? Yes. Chalo. Take care, everyone. Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. See you
Bye.
soon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this a wonderful opportunity.
Absolutely.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am. Thank you,
Bye-bye.
ma'am. Gratitude.
Thank you, ma'am. Gratitude to you.
Same
Thank
here.
you.
Same here.